students. Today we will start our new topic, that is isomerism. Beta iso means same, mer means molecule, ism means phenomena. Ism means phenomenon. That means isomerism is the phenomena. Isomerism is the phenomenon in which two or more compounds having same molecular formula but they have different chemical and physical properties. This phenomena is known as isomerism, and these compounds are known as isomers. These compounds are also known as isomers. We classify the isomerism into two categories. Isomerism is classified into two categories. First category is known as structural isomerism. First one is the structural isomerism, and second one is the stereoisomerism. That means classification of isomerism. Isomerism is classified into two categories. First one, structural isomerism, and second one, stereoisomerism. Clear? Structural isomerism remains same. Two or more compounds having same molecular formula, but they have different structures. These compounds are known as structural isomers. These compounds are known as structural isomers, and this phenomena is known as structural isomerism. Stereoisomers, again the same. Two or more compounds having same molecular formula, but their arrangement of atom in three-dimensional space is different. That means molecular formula same, structural formula same, but arrangement of atom around the chain is different in three-dimensional space. Clear? Now, structural isomerism. What are structural isomerism? How structures are to be different for the same molecular formula can be studied under the heading of structural isomerism. Structural isomerism means two or more compounds have same molecular formula but they have different structures. This is known as structural isomers and this phenomena is known as structural isomerism. Beta, we will draw the structure, different structure for same molecular formula by first. Under the heading of structural isomerism, how many types of isomerism are there? 6. First one, chain isomerism. First one is the chain isomerism. Question, what is chain isomerism? Chain isomerism is the isomerism in which two or more compounds have same molecular formula but their arrangement of carbon chain within the molecule is different. Carbon chain within the molecule is different. For example, we have a formula C4H10. It is the molecular formula. Beta C4 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete the valency by addition of hydrogen. 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7, 3, 10. C4H10. Its name is butane. 4 carbon in a chain but all have single bond in. Now we have 3 carbon in a chain and 1 carbon has branched. Now complete the valency. 3, again 3 and 1. Formula remains same but name of this compound is 1, 2, 3. Second carbon consists of methyl. 2 methyl propane. 3 carbon in a chain. That means C4H10 have 2 chain isomers. Same molecular formula but different structures. Different chain length, that means chain isomerism. Second one, position isomerism. Second one, position isomerism. Position isomerism means 2 or more compounds having same molecular formula but position of substituent or functional group in the carbon chain is different. For example, we have C4H10O. This is the molecular formula. Molecular formula is C4H10O. Draw the structure 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is O. Complete the valency. Beta 3, 2, again 2, again 2 and 1. Count 3 to 5, 7, 9 and 1, 10. It is butane 1-ol. Or you can say 1-butanol. It is okay. Now position of functional group is different. Just like we have 4 carbon in a chain. It consists of OH at first carbon. Now draw the OH at second carbon. Complete the valency. Now its name is butane 2-ol, or you can say 2-butanol. It is same, but property of both are different. Properties of both are different. Even they have same functional group, same molecular formula. Clear? So in case of structural isomerism, we have 6 subclassified, 6 subcategories. First one, chain isomerism. Second one, position isomerism. Third one, beta functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism. In this case, 2 or more compound having same molecular formula but the functional group is different. Beta, it is clear, same molecular formula but nature of functional group will be different. You must learn which functional group will be changed by formula remain same. Beta, if you have alcohol, its functional isomer is ether. If you have aldehyde, it is with ketone. With ketone. Beta, carboxylic acid. Paired with ester. Triple bond, alkyne. Diene. Alkyne with diene. Clear? Beta, amine. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Cyanide paired with isocyanide. Nitro paired with nitrite. Paired with nitrite. These are the functional group. For example, we will use the example of alcohol, that is C4H10O. C4H10O. 1, 2, 3, 4 NOH. We will use this example in position isomerism. Now this oxygen will be in center. 2 carbon here, 2 here. It is alcohol, but now it is ether. Now it is ether. It is alcohol, it is ether. Clear? Aldehyde, if you have aldehyde, then you will change it into ketone. For example, C4H8O. 1, 2, 3, 4 and O. Complete the valency 3 to 5 to 7. Only one hydrogen is there. Complete the valency, it is aldehyde. Clear? Now, to make the ketone, ketone is the own group is at least at second carbon. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Complete the valency. 3 to 5 and 3, 8. It is aldehyde, it is ketone. In the same way, fourth one is the metamerism. Metamerism is the phenomenon in which 2 or more compounds having same molecular formula, same functional group, but having different number of carbon atoms, around the functional group. It means beta, for example, ketone, one side, for example, ketone, it is okay, C5H10O. You will represent, draw the structure, C5H10O. 5 carbon, complete the valency. Let us C5H10O. It is metamer with ketone, same molecular formula, same functional group. Ketone is there, but number of carbon atom around the functional group is different. Now on one side 1 carbon, one side 3 carbon. Complete the valency. Or you can say one side 1 carbon, one side 2 carbon in a chain, just like this. Naming of all these will be different. It is pentane 3-on. It is known as pentane 2-on. And it is, count the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give least number to this. 2, 3. Then its naming is 3-methyl butane 2-on. Butane 2-on. Functional group remains same. Molecular formula remains same, but structure is different. Number of carbon atom around the functional group is different. That is known as metamerism. That is known as metamerism. Now, tautomerism. Beta, in case of tautomerism, again molecular formula remain same. But there is hydrogen shift from one atom to third atom. It is known as 1,3 hydrogen shift. This type of isomerism always exists in equilibrium. Beta, this type of isomerism always occur only when it is possible to transfer hydrogen from one atom to third atom. Basically, it is occur in case of aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, etc. Suppose you have this. Tautomerism always exists in equilibrium. In this case, 1,3 hydrogen shift occur. How 1,3 hydrogen shift occur? Beta, this is first atom, this is second atom, this is third atom. Due to unsaturation, hydrogen shifting will be possible. Hydrogen atom shift from first atom to third, just like this. Beta, CH2, hydrogen shift from first carbon to third oxygen, like this. Double bond here. This carbon consists of double bond as well as OH. Double bond in. For OH it is ol. It is known as enol form. And this is known as keto form. Beta, keto form is more stable, but this form is interconvertible. This is known as keto-enol tautomerism. Keto-enol tautomerism. This is known as keto-enol tautomerism. Otherwise, it is simply tautomerism, that is 2 or more compound having same molecular formula. But this type of isomerism is occur due to 1,3 hydrogen shift, and this always exists in equilibrium. Now last one, ring chain isomerism. In case of ring chain isomerism, again isomerism means 2 or more compound having same molecular formula, but if unsaturation present in open chain, if unsaturation means double bond or triple bond present in open chain. So ring is formed. For the formation of ring, at least 3 carbon is required in case of hydrocarbon. For example, you have C4H8. Open chain consists of double bond. 3, 2, 1 and 2. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 8. If you want to make ring, you will draw the structure like ring and complete the valency 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6 and 8. That means it is butene or butanene, but it is cyclobutane. It is only possible when unsaturation present in open chain. Clear? Now last, second category. What is the second category? Stereoisomerism. In case of stereoisomerism, beta, we have three-dimensional arrangement of atom is different. Otherwise, molecular formula, structure, functional, all group are same. Only three-dimensional arrangement is different. This consists of two categories. First one is the geometrical isomerism. And second one is the optical isomers. Beta, optical isomerism is used only in stereochemistry. Only in stereochemistry. So it will be omitted, not included in your syllabus. For your, it is only geometrical isomerism. Beta, symmetrical isomerism occur only in case of alkene. For example, C4H8. You will draw the structure like this. It is butadiene, but geometrically it is of two kinds. You will draw the structure like this. This carbon have one hydrogen, one methyl group. This carbon also have one hydrogen, one methyl group. Same group present on same side. This is known as cis isomer. This is known as cis isomer. If this same structure is represented like this, same group on different side. Similar group consists of maximum distance. Same group on different side. It is known as trans. It is known as trans isomers. Beta, this is all about the isomerism in organic chemistry. This is all about the isomerism in organic chemistry. Thanks.